Hello everybody, I am Dr. Senthil Kamalasekaran, Senior Consultant at Chennai Ortho Clinic, and today I am going to talk about a very important topic, bone health. I'm going to tell you about tips and tricks about how to improve your bone health and what can be done to keep your body fit and strong. Our body has bones and these bones are constantly remodeling. As you get older, our bones get weaker and they attain their peak bone mineral density in your adolescent age group, round about the age of 20. This peak bone mass starts to reduce as you get older. To maintain this bone, to keep it strong, we need to do certain things. Number one, we need to be fit and healthy. By fit and healthy, what I mean is we need to exercise. By exercising and maintaining a proper diet tuned towards your exercise, your bone can remain strong. To improve our bone strength, we need to have a very good healthy diet. In diet, what I would suggest is to have good amount of dairy products like milk and cheese. Apart from this, you can also have a lot of good green leafy vegetables which are a rich source of vitamin C, and vitamin C has a role in forming of collagen, which plays a part in the connective tissues which surround the bones and also helps in bone formation and keeping the tissues stronger. Once we have a rich source of calcium, this calcium has to be absorbed into the bone and should be absorbed from the bloodstream. For this, we have to have an adequate amount of vitamin D. We can get vitamin D from sunlight, but however, this is very minuscule. So if you do a blood test to check the vitamin D and you find that you are deficient in vitamin D, see your physician and ask them to put you on a course of vitamin D, something like 60,000 international units once a week, and that will normally kind of help to absorb the calcium and get it deposited in the bone. Vitamin K also plays a very good role in absorption of the vitamin D and calcium from the bloodstream. So you need to make sure that you are having adequate amount of calcium rich food, exercise, and you should have a healthy diet to make sure that you have a good, strong, healthy bone. Make sure that you are not putting excess of weight. Keep your weight to the minimum, and when you do that, you will find that you will get very healthy. Once you have a healthy bone, then you will be able to do all your activities well and you will have a very good, healthy lifestyle. I hope this short video has given you some amount of insight into how to look after your bones and keep it healthy. Many thanks.